Oh dear, who's this guy?
You wanna come in and have dinner with me? Or what? Ooh. That hurts.
Be careful, I'm recording. Okay, girl, pizza again.
Hi. Pizza. Okay, I'm coming.
Is that the way you said to lose weight? I want to know what's inside the box.
Hi.
Delivery?
Oh, I'm not home right now. Can you put it in front of the door?
Got it.
Bye, handsome. Hi,
Hey,
cutie. Come here, come here. Come here.
Sorry.
Oh, don't go.
Trick or treat.
Hi,
trick or
Harry
treat.
Potter.
Axel.
Take good care of your teas. Jingle bells, jingle bells. What are you trying to do? Let me guess, a confession? A presentation?
Without hope or agenda.
Oh, don't tell me that is...
To me, you're perfect.
Keep going. So,
Will you go on a date with me?
Date! Say yes!
yes.
Oh,
Yes!
so sweet. Installing me is that easy. It's my new home! Hey Lissa, check what I've recorded. Haha, got you! You really thought that no one was looking at you, right? Who am I? I'm the one be here for you all the time.